Already using Termius? Moving your servers to CtrlOps takes about 30 seconds, and you won't have to re-enter a thing. Open CtrlOps, and up in the top right, click the 3 dots. You'll see an option, Import from Termius. Click it. A quick confirmation pops up showing exactly what comes over: your servers, ports, usernames, and SSH keys. It's all read locally. Nothing leaves your Mac. Hit Import Servers. Now, macOS may ask for your keychain password, the one you use to log into your Mac. That's just your system giving CtrlOps permission to read the saved Termius data. Enter it and click Allow. CtrlOps reads your Termius servers and shows you everything it found. Pick the ones you want or bring them all over. Then hit Import. And that's it. Your servers are now in CtrlOps, ready to connect with a single click. No manual setup, no copy-pasting IPs and keys one by one. You're ready to manage everything from here.